Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. So today is now the August the 28th of 2005, and developing story with Hurricane Katrina and the Gulf of Mexico at the moment. Just looking into it a bit further. I believe now it has been upgraded to a Category 4 hurricane. I need to just double check that with the National Hurricane Center. At the moment it is 12:19 AM Central Daylight Time, and at the moment it is now currently just looking at it now. Yeah, here we go. It's currently 18:19 Central Time, and it is 00:20 UTC even. No, it's not UTC, it's British Summer Time. It is 23:20 UTC on the 27th of August. Current time, Central Daylight Time, is currently 18:20 on Thursday the 27th of August. Latest advisory from the National Hurricane Center now have Hurricane Katrina as a Category 3 hurricane, winds of 115 miles an hour. Most of the Gulf Coast now have a hurricane watch in effect for those areas. We are expecting the spiral bands are already affecting the northern Gulf Coast. Landfall is possible by Monday time. So this could be an interesting storm actually. We haven't ruled out the fact that this storm could become a Category 5 hurricane. Landfall is expected on Monday the 29th, possibly around about 1 PM, though it's still uncertain as and when that storm will arrive there. So we'll keep you guys updated as this story develops, and we'll also make sure, and we're just hoping to God that this storm does not cause a lot of loss of life, and also there's now the possibility that pretty soon a hurricane watch will be in effect. And a hurricane warning even. Only a hurricane watch in effect at the moment. Last portion of Florida has now had its tropical storm warning discontinued. Hurricane watch has been in effect for parts of Louisiana for quite a while now, since around about 10 AM Central Daylight Time today, and also this will be a developing story as this goes on. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I know these are like 10 years on, but this is actually happening 10 years ago today. So 10 years ago today, Hurricane Katrina was 115 miles an hour, located at 24.6 degrees north, 85.6 degrees west. It was advisory 18 from the National Hurricane Center. Didn't actually have M's back then to say it was a major hurricane. I think that was introduced fairly recently. And also I think at this time Katrina, I think, had an air pressure around about 960 millibars. I'll get that confirmed and possibly put it in the description a little bit later. So anyway, that's all from me now. Actually, I might check what else was going on at the time. So Tropical Storm Lee, I believe, might have just formed. Our lead didn't form. Lead didn't form until the 29th. It formed as Tropical Depression 13. I think an interesting storm as well was Subtropical Depression 22. Yeah, Subdepression 22, that was an interesting one. Looking a little bit later into the season. Also Hurricane Beta. Intensified quite quickly, I think. It was 115. Yeah, briefly became a major hurricane, only briefly though, for one advisory. So anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.